Welcome back, guys, to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to update your Windows 10 manually to the new November 2019 version. I'm going to be showing you guys how to do it two different ways. And yeah, let's get started. First things first, if you thought this video was helpful and you liked it, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. And if there's any other videos that you would like to see, then feel free to comment on this video. Okay, so let's get started. First you're going to want to go to the search by the Windows tab, or you know what, you can just go start and then the little settings icon right above the power, and then from here we can go down and then go update and security. From here, I already started a Windows update and I have to reset and everything, but I'll just tell you what you should see. So right here you should actually see Windows 10 version 1909 ready to download and install, and from there you would just click download and install, and then it would go through, and then you would have to reset, of course, probably a few times in order for the full update to finish. I can't really show you guys right now, but that's basically very simple steps, and then you just follow whatever it says. So the second way, actually, so we're going to show you guys two ways. The second way is we're going to open up Firefox real quick. Oh, bring that down. And from here, we're just going to go to Google. And we're going to write Windows 10 Assistant. And right here, the very first link we're gonna want to click is Windows 10 Update Assistant. And from here, as you see, feature updates like Windows 10 version 1909, aka the Windows 10 November 2019 update. We're gonna want to click this. And then we're not gonna want to bother with any download tools or anything. We're gonna want to just right away hit update now, and then from here we can hit save, and from here just open the file, and then I already downloaded one, but for the purpose of this video I downloaded it again. And from here you want to double click wherever you stored it or saved it anyway. So here it says I'm currently running 1809 and that the latest version is 1909. Alright, so we're going to hit update now. It's going to tell us to check device compatibility. And then here it's going to say everything is okay. I am just going to minimize for now and then wait for this to finish, and that's basically it. And then you let it reset again, and then that's it, and you are done. Alright, this is How To Tech Tips. Hope you enjoy your new update to your Windows, and don't forget to keep teching on.